And I'm going to use the action menu to play the sequence. The line we saw running across is to give us an idea, while the sound is playing, which notes these, this envelope display corresponds to. I can focus in on a segment that interests me by sliding this box. You'll notice these numbers changing. The first number indicates the beginning time, here 4.08 seconds, and the last number is the end time, and this is the length of the segment. So we could play that small segment I picked out. You may have heard the 2 mouse clicks I made. The points in time where I made them are indicated with these little tick marks, which can help us identify particular notes. So I'm dropping the gain potentiometers. Whoops. Let's give that last one a slightly higher gain. And do an even smaller mix. And we'll play as soon as the result is ready.